Yeah, welcome back to Bobcat Forever. We're down at the farm doing some shooting. And in my last video, one of my faithful viewers commented, would the Ruger 1022 have done better than the Henry lever action? So I said, well, we should probably give that a shot. So I brought down the Henry, the Ruger 1022, Ruger American bolt action, and a Savage Model 64, and we're going to shoot at these targets from 50 yards. I've set all the scopes at 12x, and we'll see how we make out. Yeah, we're heading back up to 50 yards to shoot the Mini Mags, again with the Henry on the left, the 1022, the Ruger American, and the Savage 64. Took me a little bit, but I managed to fight that 22 round out of the Henry. I've never had that happen before, so that was a little unusual. Now we're back up here 50 yards again. Going to start over, this time shooting Mini Mag, starting with the Henry, then the Ruger 1022, then the Ruger American bolt action, and then the Savage Model 64. And that was it. Now the Ruger 1022 at the upper right. And that should have been it. And it was. Now the Ruger American bolt action. At the lower left. think that was it. Now the Savage Model 64 at the lower right. And that helps if you turn the safety off. Now, those rounds were a bit hotter, faster, and they went that much higher. So, looks like the Henry did pretty good except for one round down here. Who knows what I did. And then I'm not sure about these here. Got 3 there, 1 there, maybe this one belongs there. And the 1022 had them still fairly grouped, but just about off the paper. I've got some velocitors to shoot too. I think I'm going to have to start shooting at the bottom of the circle as I shoot these faster rounds, because I really don't want to go back and mess around just in scope. So we'll see. Anyhow, it's fun. Not exactly sure what's going on, but it's going on.